Marina the Mermaid's big concert. Marina the Mermaid is planning a show with jellyfish dancers and bubbles that glow. But when her shell mic goes pop in the sea, the concert turns into a giggling spree. Crabs play spoons, starfish spin fast, and Marina's high note makes treasure chest blast. Stick around. This underwater concert is full of mix-ups, music, and magical fun. Marina the Mermaid had a voice like sea sparkle and a tail that shimmered like moonlight on water. She loved to sing with dolphins, harmonize with clams, and beatbox with bubblefish. They were surprisingly good. One day, Marina announced, "I'm hosting the biggest concert the ocean has ever seen." The coral reef buzzed with excitement. Starfish practiced their twirls. Crabs polished their drums. Even the jellyfish rehearsed their synchronized wiggles. Marina's shell microphone was enchanted to echo across the sea. But on concert night, it hiccuped. "Testing! Testing! Hic! Blub! Blub!" The crowd blinked. Marina blinked. The shell mic burped out a bubble shaped like a walrus. "Oops," Marina giggled. "Let's roll with it." The concert turned into a hilarious underwater jam session. The seaweed backup dancers tangled themselves into a knot. A clam mistook the beat for a sneeze and launched a pearl. Marina's high note made a treasure chest pop open and release a swarm of musical seahorses. The audience roared with laughter. Even the grumpy sea turtle tapped his flippers to the beat. Marina sang louder, sillier, and more joyfully than ever. Because sometimes the best concerts aren't perfect. They're unforgettable. And so, Marina became the queen of ocean giggles, spreading music, laughter, and bubbly surprises wherever she swam. Because when you sing from the heart, even a hiccup can be a hit. Again, let's rhyme with Marina. Marina the Mermaid had seaweed green hair and a voice that could shimmer the salt in the air. She sang with the dolphins, the clams, and the whales. Her tunes made the jellyfish dance in their trails. One day she announced, "Let's throw a big show with bubbles and beats and a coral disco." The sea creatures cheered. They were ready to groove. But Marina's shell mic got stuck in a move. The crab played the drums with a spoon and a sock. The octopus juggled a musical rock. The seaweed went wild. The starfish spun fast. But Marina's high note made the treasure chest blast. Pearls flew like popcorn. The crowd gave a cheer. Even the shy sharks began to appear. Marina just laughed and gave one more twirl. Her concert was chaos, but it rocked the whole world. So, if you hear music beneath ocean foam, it might be Marina in her bubbly sea home. Because even when things go a little off beat, a mermaid's big heart makes the rhythm complete. The end. Please subscribe to the J channel for kids. Thank you.